Georgia Pecan is one of our newest smear-proof, waterproof, vegan lip gels for 2024. A bright cream, yellow with golden, reddish-brown, butterscotch pecan-like lip color. There is no pink or blue undertone, just a creamy butterscotch. As fundamental basic colors go, this is a natural lip color for all skin tones to wear year-round. Georgia Pecan Lip Gel can be applied in up to 3 layers for the brightest intensity. This is a light to full coverage lip color for all seasons, and you are guaranteed to be noticed. Lip Ink is the world's only 100% smear-proof vegan lip color sold individually in a kit. Lip Ink suggests that you purchase our vegan lip shine moisturizer to be applied over your color application and herbal off remover to use this product professionally. Feel the tingle and enjoy the Lip Ink experience of a natural, healthy alternative to old-fashioned lipstick. Visit our Color of Cosmetics world at www.lipink.com. Invented by Rose Nichols, a woman veteran and founder of Lip Ink International, in 1995.